In front of me is Realme GT6 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then hit All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Passwords Manager. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your screen lock. Lastly, use the Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!